In this video, we are making a special powder that will give plants good nutrition and also save them from pest attacks. This method is very simple and very effective, and best part is, everything is natural. No need for any chemical fertilizers or pesticides. But before we start, do one thing. Subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss any useful gardening tips. Now, let's begin. The powder we are making today is from orange peels. Normally, after eating oranges, we throw away the peels, but instead of wasting, we can turn them into something very useful for the garden. First step is drying the peels. Best way is sun drying. Just keep the peels under sunlight for a few days until they become fully dry and crisp. If you don't have time to wait, then no problem. You can also dry them in an oven or use a dehydrator. Even air drying is fine, but it will take longer. The main thing is, peels should be completely dry with no moisture left. Once they are fully dry, they will become light and easy to crush. Now, next step is grinding them into powder. Take the dried peels and put them in a mixer grinder. Run the grinder until the peels turn into fine powder. If small pieces remain, no problem. Little bit rough texture is also fine. This powder is very powerful for plants because it contains important nutrients like potassium and calcium, which help plants grow strong and healthy. Not only this, the powder also has natural properties that keep insects away, so plants stay protected. There are two best ways to use this powder in the garden. First way is direct use in soil. Just take the powder and sprinkle it around the base of the plants. This will slowly release nutrients into the soil and improve plant health. It also keeps away unwanted pests like ants and some harmful insects that attack roots. Over time, this powder will mix with soil and make it more fertile. It is completely natural, so no side effects, no harm to plants, only benefits. You can use this method for any type of plant. Vegetables, flowers, fruit trees, everything. Second way is making a natural spray. Take 5 tablespoons of orange peel powder and mix it in 2 liters of warm water. Mix well and let it sit for 30 to 60 minutes. This will allow all the beneficial compounds from the peels to dissolve into the water. After waiting, strain the liquid and remove the solid particles. Now pour this liquid into a spray bottle. This spray is very useful for protecting plants from pests. Just spray it on the leaves, both on top and bottom. It will create a natural barrier, and insects like aphids, ants, and other pests will not come near the plants. The strong citrus smell works as a natural repellent, so insects stay away. If you use this spray regularly, plants will stay strong and pest-free. Not only that, but the nutrients in the spray will also give extra strength to the plants. Unlike chemical pesticides, this spray is completely safe. You can even use it on vegetable plants without any worry. No chemicals, no harmful effects, only natural benefits. One more good thing about using orange peel powder is that it helps improve soil quality. When you sprinkle it on the soil, it slowly decomposes and adds organic matter. This makes the soil soft, helps retain moisture, and provides nutrients for longer time. Also, orange peels have natural oils that protect plants from some fungal infections, which means healthier plants and better growth. This is a very easy, cost-effective, and eco-friendly way to take care of plants. Instead of throwing away orange peels, turn them into this powerful plant booster. Whether you use it directly in the soil or as a spray, your plants will surely benefit. Try this method in your garden, and you will see the difference in plant health and growth. If you like this video, then do like, share, and subscribe to the channel. More amazing gardening tips are coming soon, so stay connected. See you in the next video!